Lepu surgical staplers are divided into three categories, including laparoscopic staplers, open staplers, other staplers. The open staplers are divided into the following categories. Disposable circular stapler consists of anvil, protector, cartridge, elbow, safety, trigger, window, fixed handle, adjusting the nut, etc. components. The product is suitable for digestive tract reconstruction, end-to-end anastomosis, and side-to-side anastomosis. The product specifications range from 17 to 34. Disposable linear stapler consists of cartridge, anvil, protector, top cover, bottom cover, releasing button, etc. components. The product is suitable for the transection of tissues, side-to-side anastomosis, functional end-to-end anastomosis, and closure of stomas. The product specifications range from 552 to 1004. Lepu Medical, to address global medical needs.